In this video, we will show you how to encrypt email in Outlook. To encrypt email in Outlook, for the note, the recipient must using Microsoft email. If the recipient using Gmail or another Microsoft email, it will force to log in or sign up into the Outlook. How to encrypt the email? First, just click new email, and before you send to the person, you need to select options here, and you can click this option and select encrypt. Okay, you can see after the encrypt is checked like this, you can just type the person that you want to send the email. This is encrypt email, and this is encrypt email like this. After that, you can send the encrypted email. Just click send here. Okay, when you send the email, if the recipient using the email from the Microsoft, okay, the recipient will show only this. Okay, but if the recipient using Gmail or another email service provider not from Microsoft, it will force to log in into the Outlook or sign up for them. That's all tutorial how to create or encrypt email in Microsoft Outlook. Hope this video helpful for you.